So guys, in today's class, I'm going to help you understand Bybit P2P. I've been making several videos about P2P every single week. Okay, so if along this class you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to help you understand that. Now, how do merchants trade and make money on the Bybit P2P? I'm just going to share how you can do that also. I'll teach you everything you need to know about the Bybit P2P. Okay, so I would assume that you can apply for the Bybit P2P merchant program. If you can't, please check in the description. You'll find a video that I've made on how to apply, and of course you have a class on application where I can guide you, but then you have to pay a fee. Okay, so click on the Bybit P2P trading, and of course let's get straight into it. The profit potential, how merchants making money, how do people even trade Bybit P2P? I made a video already how to understand it in 15 minutes. You can go check that video in the description also, but I will help you understand it more on this video. Now, Bybit merchant system is where traders come to buy and sell dollars, buy and sell Bitcoin, buy and sell Ethereum. And for you to know all the assets that are traded on the P2P exchange, you have to come to this area and click on this USDT, and of course you see the list of the assets that traders trade on the P2P. So let me toggle it again. Let me just click on. You can see people trade USDT, USDC, BTC, and Ethereum. So as a P2P trader, all you have to do is to select the particular assets that you want to trade. Okay, popularly people want to trade USDT because USDT has so much traffic. Everybody or almost everybody comes to Bybit to buy USDT or sell USDT. Now the trick here is that when people come to sell their USDT, people come to sell USDT on Bybit, they will be selling their USDT to you. Now when people come to buy their USDT, they will be buying the USDT from you. So where is the profit? The profit is coming from the idea that people, let's put this person as you over here. So this is you on this area. Sellers who want to sell their USDT will come to sell their USDT to you. Okay. Now buyers who want to buy USDT will come and buy that same USDT from you. So what you're going to do, so the simple trick here is that you are buying cheaper from sellers. Anybody who wants to sell to you, forgive me, I'm going to have to redraw it so you can understand the whole concept about the P2P business. Okay, so what happens here is that anybody who actually wants to sell their, people are going to come and sell their USDT to you, and people will buy from you. So these are the sellers. Sellers are people who will be selling their USDT to you. So anybody who is selling their USDT to you, you must make sure that you are buying cheaper from them. Now anybody who want to buy from you, who want to buy your USDT that you have purchased from the sellers, you'll be selling to them more expensive. This is the idea of Bybit P2P. Now, so sellers will come and sell you USDT, you must buy it cheaper. Then when buyers want to come and buy that same USDT, you are buying, they will be buying it more expensive. Even if it's 5 naira, 10 naira, or 15 naira per USDT, it is nice. So let me explain how it works. So I'm going to select USDT because USDT is the most popularly traded token on the Bybit P2P. So like I mentioned, since sellers are going to be selling to you, you as a merchant will be buying on the sell side. So click on the sell. Why are you buying on the sell side? Because this is where you find people who come to sell their USDT. So people come here every time to sell their USDT and they can buy from you, okay, and they will be selling it to you. So of course what happens here is simply that you're going to come here and of course come to this place where you find amount. I mentioned if you're going to start this business truly, you need to have some budget, capital, and everything. Now you can the least you can start with is 100 USDT, but trust me, let's say you can start with about 500,000 nairas, and let's see how much 500,000 nairas can do. Okay, so normally if you want to come to this place where you see amount, okay, this place where you see amount at the top on this area where you find amount, you have to come and select on amount. Okay, so I'm going to click on amount. So when you click on amount, put in 30,000. Yeah, your capital is 500k. The 500k should be your bank account at first, but you can put in 30k here. 30k helps you filter and buy cheaper. That is just my experience. Okay, so when you put in 30k, people will ask, why are you putting 30k? Just trust me, I've been using Bybit P2P for a very long time. Anytime I put 30k here, it helps me filter and buy cheaper. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm. 500k will be in your account. Oh, you have not touched it, you have not used it, it's just going to be there. Okay, then come to this place where you find all payment method. All you have to do is to click on bank transfer and click on confirm. Because you'll be using bank transfer, when people come to sell their USDT to you, you'll be paying them via bank transfer. On this area, people, you can see you can just come down here. Let's see. Okay, on this area, even people who are not verified are also trading this. You can see this guy is not verified and he's also trading this. So this is the rate at which you'll be buying. You'll be buying at rate of, you'll be buying USDT at the rate of 1488. This is your buying price. As a merchant, you are listening to me now. This is your buying price. Why? When anybody wants to come and sell their USDT to you, for example, this is you. Your name is Easy. This is Easy. Anybody who wants to sell this Easy now, imagine that this Easy is you. You are this person called Easy. Easy is just here. He has opened his store. Anybody who wants to sell their USDT can come to Easy store and they will just click on sell. So when they click on sell, they are selling their USDT to Easy, and Easy is paying them 1,488 naira per USDT. So let's say Easy is trading with 500k as his capital. So let's do the maths. 1,488.65. So Easy is going to go to his calculator. People will be coming to sell to Easy. They'll be clicking on that sell, 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 sell. At the end of the day, Easy has 500,000 and Easy has to pay to anybody who is coming to buy from him. So Easy will come to his calculator and divide 1,488.65. So Easy is going to be able to buy 335.8 USDT from people who are going to be selling. So all the sellers will come and they will sell to Easy 335 USDT, and by that time the 500k in his bank account has been exhausted. Okay, so what Easy has left, what you will be having left right now, is 335 USDT. Now you have 335 USDT right now and you want to sell the USDT. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this class, once you have purchased the USDT, it is time for you to sell. You'll be selling to people who want to come to Bybit and buy. On the other hand, there are tons of people who want to come and buy USDT on the Bybit, and they will buy your 335.8 USDT according to your calculator. Okay, so you come to the buy side where people come to buy USDT. So anytime somebody wants to come and buy, they're going to click on your ad. Okay, now next step is that you click on amount. What you're going to do is to click to sell your USDT. All you're going to do is to click on amount and now put in your full amount of 500,000 naira. Once you have done that, click on confirm also. So once you've clicked on confirm, the next thing you have to do also is to click on this place where you find all payment method, select on bank transfer, select on confirm. Now anybody who wants to buy USDT will just come and click on your ad. Okay, they come to click on your ad and they will come and buy all your 335. Now this is the current rate you will be selling. Now just imagine that this person is you. This person is you. Okay, and they'll come and buy your USDT at the rate of 1496, and they'll be clicking on buy, and they're coming to buy your 335 USDT. Okay, so you come to look at the math. 1496.25, you come here and you multiply the rate by 1496.25. So you can see at the end of the day you get back your 500k capital and about 2,500 naira profits. Now you can just remove okay, let me go back, and this is what you got. Okay, this is what we got, and you subtract your 500k capital. Okay, this is your turnover, which is your ROI. You can subtract about 0.3% of this, which is just about 0.5%. So 10% of this is about 250 naira, and just say you're subtracting about 125 naira, because 0.5% is the highest fee you'll be paying for these transactions. So you have about 2,427 nairas as your return. Okay, so what do you have to do? It now depends on how many times you can go in a day and all of that. This is how to trade the Bybit P2P. Now, like I mentioned, the concept is simply that people, this is you over here. Okay, I always explain Bybit P2P every week. So if you don't understand this class, just go under the comment section, just go under the description, you find how to understand it better. Okay, and then you come here, and this is you over here. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this class, the concept is that these are the buyers. In fact, the concept is, let me repeat this again. So this is you over here. So the concept is that these are the sellers, these are the buyers. This is you over here. The sellers will be coming to sell their USD to you. Anybody who has made profit or from trading will come and sell you their USDT. Okay, and as they're selling it to you, make sure that you're buying cheaper. That is why we bought, why we bought the initial one cheaper. All right, and once I've purchased that 335 USDT from the sellers, okay, now you'll be selling it to the buyers. The buyers are the ones who come to buy USD from you on the P2P market, and now you'll be selling it more expensive to the buyers. So this is exactly how the Bybit P2P works, and that is how to understand it. But if you don't understand it yet, you can actually go down on the description. You find a video that I've made that will help you understand it much more better, understand the concept much more better. Okay, so you can understand everything it takes to do the Bybit P2P. Now, for those people who have been asking, one of my best apps for arbitrage, I've linked it in the description. You can just go watch it. I've always talk about it. Arbitrage scanner works for me so well, and people always ask me about arbitrage. You can go use the arbitrage scanner. Is a paid tool. You can subscribe to it, and it's going to help you understand, and of course share arbitrage signals for you. Helps you with a lot of information that you don't have to do by yourself. Okay, it saves you a lot of long stress. So for now, I'll leave you here. Ask me any questions you want to ask me in the comment section, and I'll see you on another one.